Once again, Taylor Swift.
Ladies and gentlemen, Taylor Swift.
Ladies and gentlemen, Taylor Swift.
Ladies and gentlemen, Taylor Swift.
Oh, hey, so if this is popping up on your phone, then chances are you listened to a lot of my music this year on Spotify. It's Taylor, by the way. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for all of your support with The Life of a Showgirl. And we actually have a lot of reminiscing that we could do coming up because I have a docuseries and a concert film on Disney Plus coming out on December 12th called The End of an Era and the final show. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for everything. Mwah.